Hello teachers! In this video, we are going to talk about several creative rewards. They're not only fun, but they will also help us interact with our students effectively. The files are in PowerPoint format with funny animated effects. So now, let's get started! All kids love presents, and they get super excited about all kinds of delicious food. And this makes the gift rewards the most popular reward among kids from 3 to 8 years old. All you need to do is to ask students to choose their favorite number and click on the number to show the gift. See? It's simple. Don't forget to praise the student too. After that, you can use Medicam or Snap Camera to show funny effects and make it more interactive. Now, let's try it!
Great job! I have a gift for you.
Wow!
Number 5. Okay. Wow! Cookies! Yay! Yummy! Let's eat cookies together. Yummy!
Well done! Let's open another gift. Number 2. Okay. Wow! Pizza! Let's eat pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes!
Who doesn't love surprises, right? This treasure hunt rewards include some of the most popular toys for students to discover, and boys may love this mysterious adventure more. So every time students finish answering an activity, they can open one treasure box. So first, we must click anywhere on it to display the first box. Then, click on the box to show the cartoon character. After that, you can use Medicam to show cartoon effects or invite students to show their toys.
Excellent! Let's open this treasure box. Spider-Man!
Wow!
Do you like Spider-Man?
Yes! Yes!
I have a secret. I'm Spider-Man! Don't tell others, okay?
Okay.
Who doesn't know about Pokemon? It has been popular over decades and kids still love it. So yes, you're right. This reward is inspired by the Pokemon game. After students answer different questions, ask the student to choose one Pokeball at a time.
Who's that Pokemon?
First, you can ask the student to choose a number. Then, you can click on the Pokeball to show the cartoon character.
Pikachu, Pikachu.
Also, you can turn your face into a Pikachu or other characters and ask students to share their own Pokemon toys.
Awesome! I have a surprise for you. Ta-da! Do you know about Pokemon? Yes, teacher, I have Pokemon. Wow! What Pokemon do you have? Look! Pikachu! Pikachu! Wait, teacher! Look! Cute! That's nice. I'm gonna give you a Pokemon too. Choose one.
Who's that Pokemon?
Wow! Number 1, teacher. Number 1? Okay. Who's that Pokemon?
Pikachu?
It's Pikachu! Pikachu!
Kids love to go shopping and ask their parents to buy toys or snacks. Now they can also experience it in class. By using this reward, students will enjoy happy shopping tour to get something they want. The word shop is difficult to understand for our young learners, so you can tell them to choose which number instead. Then, click on the shop to present the rewards. And afterward, you can use Manicam to show students some pictures and invite them to eat the snacks.
Very good. Let's go somewhere. Choose one. Ice cream, ice cream. Alright, let's go, go, go.
Wow!
You can eat this. Yummy.
Who won't be excited to watch cartoons? This reward shows famous cartoon characters that kids are familiar with. What's more, students can also get delicious treats and cute toys. So how do we present it? Ask students to choose one of their favorite characters at a time. Then, click on the picture to show relevant foods or fun toys just like these. After that, you can change your face into different cartoon images to engage students.
Wow! So many cartoons. Which one do you like? Choose one.
Wow!
Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig! Cookies! Yummy! I'm Peppa Pig!
The claw machine reward is one of my favorite games to play in arcades. Kids will be reminded of this fun game, and the cute animals will win students' hearts. Ask students to choose their favorite plush toy, then click on it to show the funny picture. Just a tip, you can also play some funny animal videos or add the cat or rabbit's ears on students' faces.
Good job! Which one do you like? Choose one. Cat. Look, the cat is playing the guitar. 我们一起学猫叫，一起喵喵喵喵喵，喵喵喵。